Today is the day Bitcoin ETFs are open for business, a historic day many have waited years for. It's Tuesday, the 19th of October. I'm your host, Jessica, and a lot has happened in the last 24 hours in crypto, so make sure to stick around. First, let's see what we're covering today. NFTs representing some of the biggest news moments from the last century are now up for purchase. It's revealed how many adults worldwide have crypto and how many have Bitcoin over Dogecoin. Chivo wallets in El Salvador clamp down on arbitrage trading. The US Treasury Department now notes how cryptocurrencies make it harder to monitor sanctions around the world. And a day for the history books. Today marks the first day a Bitcoin ETF is making its debut on the New York Stock Exchange. So let's jump on in. One of the world's largest news agencies, the Associated Press, also known as AP, is launching a pretty cool NFT collection today. The collection will feature some of the biggest news stories over the past 100 years. According to the agency, the token's digitized news flashes and photographs represent significant milestones in the space, from global conflicts, science and discovery, human freedoms, and advancements. The tokens will be released in a mystery box on Binance NFT marketplace. Now, each mystery box costs around $29 with 4 degrees of rarity on offer: normal, rare, super rare, and in true NFT fashion, super rare. Well, these include the first confirmation of the moon landing and also the end of World War II in Europe, plus photographs of the 2018 rare blue blood moon and the assassination of JFK, also Nelson Mandela's inauguration. So what do you guys think? Would you take part in the mystery prize draw? Now, if I was to ask you what countries hold the most crypto, what would you say? A new survey shows over 11% of adults around the world own crypto, with the highest adoption rates being in Australia, Malaysia, and also Nigeria. Almost 1/4 of Nigeria's online population have at least one digital asset. Malaysia and Australia both follow, with 17 to 18% of the population holding crypto. Another interesting element in this survey is rankings of coins. The US is top ranking for holding Doge, Aussies like Cardano's ADA, and Singapore, they like Ether. There is also still a gender gap, with men 1.4 times more likely to invest on average, but in Mexico, for example, women are more likely to have exposure to digital assets than men. One of the most surprising facts to come out of the survey is Bitcoin holdings. Just 58.9% of crypto investors hold Bitcoin. Now over in El Salvador, plans are setting in place to crack down on crypto scalping. The government released a price freeze feature that locks Bitcoin price during a trade for 1 minute until the transaction is complete. This was to protect traders, but traders are taking advantage of this according to reports, and optimizing more higher trade rates on various other exchanges. Although this is technically legal practice, Chivo wallets fear it could fall under a practice of fraud. So, to combat the problem, Chivo wallets have introduced a new feature. The app will now not show the rate at which the price is frozen, making users unable to secure the best arbitrage opportunities, and conversions will also take place in real time without the price freezes. A new report from the Treasury Department warns on the effectiveness of sanctions due to cryptocurrencies. Due to the ability to hold and transfer funds, it does give bad actors a window of opportunity. The report states the technology offers new ways of hiding cross-border transactions, and in a statement, they also empower advisories seeking to build new financial payment systems intended to diminish the dollar's global role. The report says they are mindful of the risk that, if left unchecked, these digital assets and payment systems could harm the efficiency of sanctions. While businesses have reported losses in the hundreds of millions each year due to ransomware attacks, sanctions are often imposed on countries or individual persons who are found to conduct illegal activities. North Korea, for example, is subject to a wide range of US sanctions and have also been accused of stealing cryptocurrencies worth billions of dollars. The use of cryptocurrencies to transact significantly reduces the effectiveness of those sanctions. The report goes on to recommend the Treasury should invest in deepening its institutional knowledge and capabilities in the evolving digital asset and services space to support full sanctioned lifestyle of activities. However, the report was unclear and light on detail when it comes to how the Treasury plans to adapt in the ever-growing crypto space. And the moment we have all been waiting for, a Bitcoin-linked ETF will launch for the first time in the US today. The ETF with the ticker BITO makes its debut on the New York Stock Exchange after ProShares was given approval by the SEC. The CEO of ProShares says in a quote, "We believe a multitude of investors have been eagerly awaiting the launch of a Bitcoin ETF after years of effort to launch one." Well, this holds huge importance as it allows institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin returns without having to go the traditional crypto exchange route. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is trading above 62,000 US dollars, so it will be interesting to see if this positive open door for more traditional investors could drive the price up, or if this is a buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's all for today. If you do have any questions about the wild world of crypto, you can always ask Alex in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe. We bring you these videos every single day. See you all again next time.